Business people in St. Ann are concerned about the high level of crime in the parish. President of the St. Ann Chamber of Commerce says there are implications for tourism. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Earlier this week, the St. Ann police reported that crime and violence are down overall except for murder. The police revealed that Ocho and Runaway Bay are areas of greater interest for them, as crime is up by almost 100% in these two areas. This has the St. Ann Chamber of Commerce President Pixley Irons worried, as he and his business counterparts are experiencing it themselves.
Yesterday evening, we got a report of one robbery took place in James Avenue at about 7 o'clock last Saturday evening. And the persons are afraid to the term that they are contemplating of closing very early, and customers are stopped going to that place at that time.
Mr. Irons said the parish is one of the country's main tourist destinations, and with high levels of crime, which include robberies, shootings and murders, tourists may soon opt not to come to the island.
If this continues, it's going to affect tourism. Everybody knows that, because if the word goes out and persons are afraid of tourists are coming onto the streets are getting affected, then the business persons are going to suffer.
The Chamber of Commerce president is calling on the government to address the problem urgently. Mr. Irons said more jobs need to be created outside the parish, as more Jamaicans are coming into the parish to seek employment. He said this is part of the problem, as many of the persons committing these crimes are outsiders.
Example, farming is one. Persons are complaining that nothing much is in farm that they do, so they leave the farming and come to Ocho. So it needs some businesses, some factories out of Ocho. We had bauxite in Ocho, which two had minimized, like Reynolds had closed. That is a big effect on Ocho.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.